We have about 16,000 square feet of our modified Gen 3 Ready Fit system. It uses 15mm acrylite GSCC, which has fragment retention filaments integrated into the sheet. It's primarily to address noise concerns, particularly from the noise generated from cars on the highway, because it is a relatively high rate of speed. It's highly custom. Everything was a custom color. All the frames were parallelograms, so they're not all rectangular. Very different post spacing on a lot of them. One unique challenge that we solved for this project was a very high wind load of 57 PSF, which is about 60% more than we see on any other projects with ready fit frames. This was a true design build. The contract plans that we received from VDOT were almost completely conceptual in nature. They did specify that there had to be positive connection to the parapet and the bridge deck, but beyond that, it was really up to us to figure out how to implement that design. So that came with its own set of challenges due to the complexity of the bridge design itself. There's vertical curves, horizontal curves, expansion joints, light poles. I mean, you name it, and the challenge is there. So we had to partner with JMT, our design firm, to solve those challenges and account for those things to make sure that everything worked together seamlessly when it got to the field. The difference in here and further down where you see precast is they wanted to maintain the natural beauty of the landscape. There's a winding waterway that cuts through these residential neighborhoods, and they didn't want to have the shadows cast on these residents. So that was kind of the drive for them to use transparent. Installation of this system for the first phase of westbound completed around April, May of 2025, and then we went right into designing and approving the eastbound, which is the second phase of the project. Phase 2 is actually considerably more challenging from a design perspective. The VDOT spec required the anchors from the deck to penetrate the girders as well, to maintain positive connection to the deck and to the parapet, but also penetrate girders was a considerable challenge. So we worked together with McLean and VDOT to remove that requirement, but still maintain the structural integrity of the design. This is a massive reconstruction project of I-64. Is a major thoroughfare in the Hampton area. So EKHO is supplying precast transparent aluminum for various sections of the roadway. This particular section is solely transparent for the bridges. So it's split into two phases, and then the continuing phases further down the roadway uses precast transparent aluminum, multiple of our products.